home. Today, we are very lucky to have our speaker, YOGASREE, Dr. C.S. Rayudu ji. He has written a book, Drink Urine and Live Healthy. He is the author of the book, and last so many months, he is giving our second Sunday speaks in urine therapy subjects. Today also he is talking about urine therapy only. The subject is safe and effective drugless urine therapy is today's topic, and we are very lucky to hear his voice. Very knowledgeable person, very senior yogi in Sivambu. So let us hear him. Welcome, Rayudu ji. Please start your talk.
Thank you, sir.
Rayudu ji, you can start your talk. Rayudu ji, you unmute your mic and you can start. Rayudu ji. Rayudu ji, could you hear me? Rayudu ji. Hello, Rayudu ji. Rajaram sir.
Yes.
Yeah. Rayudu ji, could you hear? Yeah. Okay. Now it's okay. Yes, sir. You can start your talk. Please.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
All friends, participants and viewers, today on this Sunday, the topic on which I want to interact with all you people is safety and effectiveness of drugless urine therapy. So many topics, new topics, exactly what the people we need today, some clarification on certain concepts and issues. What is the drug? What is the drugless? What is the drug therapy? Drugless urine therapy. And confusion can be clarified here. Throughout the globe, you please see that all these centuries and decades, a number of therapies have been evolved to address the human diseases, to address several human diseases all these years. All these therapies and pathis put together, there are hundreds of therapies. Drug therapy means a medicinal therapy, means use of pharmaceutical drugs, pharmaceutical medicine. That's why it is called pharmacotherapy. Pharmacotherapy. And another second category. First category is one that is drug therapy. This is a mainstream therapy today. It is dominating throughout the world, drug therapy. Mainstream, a conventional medicine, orthodox medicine, or you can say evidence-based medicine or Western medicine it is called. And the second category is called drugless therapy. This drugless therapy is called alternative and complementary therapies. There are hundreds of therapies under this category. Drug therapy is one, all Under this, we classify traditional categories. Then, what is drug therapy? Means pharmaceutical use, pharmaceutical using of pharmaceutical drugs for treatment of diseases. What is drug means? Drug means a chemical, a synthetic. It is made with a chemical reaction. With that, it will become a drug. Chemical, synthetics, or artificial substances or material with which a drug is made. A drug is a medicine that is used for treatment of diseases of human beings. And this drug, say, for example, we say synthetic, or you can say this drug chemical synthesis, chemical reaction or chemical synthesis, that is called a drug. This drug has side effects, after effects, and ill effects, and a reaction to the body also. It will take for a long period of time. This medicine, drug therapy is meant for suppression of symptoms of diseases or masking of symptoms of diseases. So it only suppresses the disease, but it won't cure. And this type of medicine, not an Indian medicine, but a Western culture medicine. It is important in India long back. And this medicine they discovered because the medical science believes that the main reason for all the diseases is germs. Virus, bacteria, fungus, and parasites. These are all the responsible for diseases and chemical imbalances. And it is imported from Western countries, and people in India also inspired. Indian people got inspiration to use this type of chemical drug. Please remember, this chemical drug is relating to a period of neoclassical period. Neoclassical people use it. What is neoclassical period? The present period is neoclassical period. This neoclassical period movement started from 19th century. So this drug is designed, came into popularity only from 19th century onwards. And this period is called neoclassical period. And the neoclassical period know only about the drug therapy. This is a neoclassical medicine. And on the other hand, drugless therapy. So drugless, there is no drugless, even there, drugless is also a drug. So drugless means without a drug. Means this is the drug made by the body, physical body. Whereas drug is man-made. It is made in the factory. It is manufactured in the company with synthetic material, artificial material, and chemical synthesis and chemical reaction. And drugless medicine is a bodily medicine, body-made medicine, body-produced medicine. That is called disease and treatment purpose. So this medicine, drugless therapy is a urine therapy. This is drugless because not manufactured by extra substances. It is made derived product or blood output, byproduct of the blood. That's why it's called biomedicines or biologics, we call it. Biologics means body produced medicine. There are nearly 65 biologics, bodily made medicine, body produced medicine, human body produced medicine. All these products have been licensed and are marketed.
She also happens to be the mother of a member.
Insulin is there. Body is produced that insulin. Stand is put.
Rayudu ji, your mic is mute. Rayudu ji, please, your mic it is you unmute your mic. Your audio is not clear.
Okay.
Okay. Now it's okay.
So that is a drug and a drugless. So urine therapy is a drugless medicine, and a drug is a synthetic material made and factory made, man made, outside the body they are produced. So urine is also a drug, but it's a bodily drug. So drug, chemical drug, synthetic drug also is a drug. That is a medicinal therapy. This is also medicinal therapy, but biological medicine, body produced medicine. So there are many therapies and the pathis I told you. All these pathis and the therapies, the medicine made from material outside the body. So for example, allopathy is there. It is a product made in the factory by synthetics, artificial, other substances. Ayurveda is outside the body. And our homeopathy outside the body. Siddhavaidam outside the body. The only therapy that uses the bodily medicine for is urine therapy. All the therapies uses the material or substances to made a medicine out of the body, outside the body. Only urine therapy that uses bodily product, bodily substances to make a medicine. That is urine. So, among all this, that is the greatest of the urine therapy. All the therapies used outside, but not urine therapy. It is bodily produced. It is a byproduct of blood. It is derivative of blood. Another important aspect is safety and effectiveness. What is safety and effectiveness? Safety and effectiveness of the drug, it may be drug or drugless therapy, means that medicine or drug will not cause any harm or damage to the body. No side effects, after effects, or ill effect or reactions after some time. It should not damage any organs of the body, any cells, organs, or tissues of the body. Safety of the body is important. Then only the drug is said to be a safety drug, effective drug. And here you must make a distinction between treatment, cure, and therapy. Urine is a therapy. Drug is a treatment. It won't cure completely the disease. It just suppresses the symptoms of the disease, masking the symptoms of diseases, but not complete cure. Because urine therapy cures, because we include in that rehabilitation of the body. Total body is covered in urine therapy. But in case of the drug, it only symptoms suppression. What are the symptoms? How to suppress it. To that extent, only drug works. Urine therapy, it includes the rehabilitation of the body. It means it includes a wide range of activities of treatment. In addition to the urine, say, for example, yoga, meditation, spirituality, naturopathy, whole body approach, and holistic medicine, body, mind, spirit approach. All several aspects we take in the life. The urine therapist or urine drinkers will follow all these things. But in drug therapy, only drug, prescription drug, prescribed drug we eat, we swallow, and we suppresses the symptoms of disease by own cure. It is only treatment in drug, but no cure. But in case of urine therapy, cure is there, treatment is there, plus therapy is there. Therapy means total rehabilitation of the body, holistic approach to the body, mind, and spirit. We consider body, mind, and spirit parts also, means spirituality life. So that is the difference between drug therapy and urine therapy. Okay, urine therapy is a drugless, effective and safe. But if the urine therapy is safe and effective, why it is not popular? It has a very long history of more than 5,000 years or time immemorial. Then why it has not become popular? Because it is safe and effective. But drug is not safe, not effective, and at the same time, danger to the body. Please remember, it is what are the
Rajaram sir, Rayudu sir,
drug therapy is also safe and effective. Urine therapy is also effective and safe. But we must make what are the advantage, disadvantage, defects, and usefulnesses. What are the dangers? What are the safety? So by taking into consideration the impact of the drug, it may be urine, it may be drug, or it may be urine, drugless urine. What is the impact after taking? Impact means safety of health after taking it. Means no harm to the body, welfare of the patient, and no damage to the organs of the body. And what is the long-term impact? So all these factors you must take into consideration to prefer or not to prefer a particular drug or drugless. Please remember, in the light of the past experience of nearly 2000 years or more, because drug therapy started entering into India from 19th century onwards. Earlier to that, we have only the traditional treatment of treatments. So from 19th century onwards only, we have our drug therapy entered into the market, our modern medicine entered the market. So in the light of our experience of last or from 19th century today, I like to rise the curtain to show you the shades, the fades, and the dark side of the drug. We must know only the dark side of the drug now. Because so far we have known the brighter side of the drug, means we are using. Because present generation people, or you can say from 19th century generation people know only drug. They do not know the drugless drug and how the treatments were before 19th century, how people lived, what are the medicines before 19th century. We do not remember. We know only about the drug therapy only. So I like to rise the curtains to show what are the darkness of the drug or phase or shades of the drug therapy. Because we have seen only the one side of the moon, other side we have not seen. Similarly, on this other side, I will like to show you in the light of the experience of last thousands of years, before 19th century, even before 5,000 years since, what was the medicinal system. So that also I will show on the other dais. I will raise the curtain to know you the brighter side of the urine therapy, drugless therapy. One side is the dark side of the drug and the lighter side of the urine therapy. So that you can make a comparison. So neoclassical period medicine is the drug. Classical period medicine is the drugless. That is alternative in the complementary medicine. This alternative, complementary or drugless therapy was prevailing in the classical period, which was the classical period before 19th century. Antiquity period, oldest period. In those days, there was no drug. We could see drug only from 19th century. So that's why, please see comparative diases, both the diases, and see which is dangerous and which is not dangerous. So urine therapy is drugless because it has an intrinsic value. Drugless urine therapy has an intrinsic value, whereas drug therapy has only a face value. What is face value and intrinsic value? Say, for example, 5 rupee coin. We can buy 5 rupees worth of article or the, articles in the market. But if you melt that coin, and if that metal is selling in the market, you get 50 paise or 75 paise. That is only face value. Drug has only face value. It may fail. It may disappear after some time when changes comes in the society. Then what is intrinsic value? Say a 5 rupees golden coin. You can buy 5 rupees worth of articles. But if you melt the 5 rupees gold coin into metal and sell it, you will get more than 5 rupees or 5 rupees. That is the value of the urine therapy. Means drugless urine. This way it has come. So urine therapy entered in the ever since time immemorial to us. So drug therapy has entered 19th century. The scientists who discovered drug, you see, one scientist says in 1905, the primary duty of the healthcare provider is to educate the patient. In the case of the drug, this system was not there in those days itself, 19th century itself. That's why the drug scientists in those days said people is to be educated. It is not just a prescription of the drug. So this educating awareness, giving guidelines, self-care, health steps, these are not being taught by the healthcare providers of the drug medicine or drug therapy. There is a greater drawback in drug industry. But in the case of urine therapy, we have discussion, we have counseling, so many aspects we discuss, lot of time we will spend to the patient. But this is not available in the case of the drug therapy. You know, the Napoleon Bonaparte, Napoleon Bonaparte, greatest leader of the French Revolution. He said, medicine is a collection of uncertain prescription. Medicine is a collection of uncertain prescription. By use of them, the result of it collectively is fatal to the patient than to help. Doctors only telling, medical science only telling these facts. Medical science is saying it is an uncertain collection of prescription drug that is fatal to the patient. It is a fatal headache, you suffer, the body collapses, than to help. The drug won't help you. Another doctor, Voltaire, of 19th century, who is a scientist who discovered drug in those days, he said, the art of medicine is amusing to the body of the patient than or while the nature cures the body. You see, scientists, drug inventors, those people only anticipated what are the dangers of drugs in those days and said we are, means the healthcare provider of the drug industry are amusing with the body of the patient. Amusing means playing. They are playing with our body. They are spoiling our body. While nature cures the body. Nature cures it. But we are not giving an opportunity to the nature to cure, or we are not giving an opportunity to the body to cure by itself. Body has self-healing capacity. Body has inside medicine. That itself will cure. But we are not giving a chance. We are immediately taking the drug. So body is losing its healing power, healing capacity, natural healing power of the body. Totally we are depending on the drug. From a very small complaint to the big complaint of cancer, AIDS and HIV. Totally. Totally you are depending on drug medicine. That's why we do not know what was the earlier system of medicine, that we are spoiling the drug. It is a silent killer. It is dangerous to the body. You know, the Hippocrates, who is the Hippocrates, is the ancient father of the medicine, a priest. What is suggested? Medical science, the first principle is must follow the guideline principle of Hippocrates, father of the science, medical science. What he said, medicine, the drug or the medicine should not harm the body of the patient. It means they know that drug is harm to the body, is a dangerous and damages to the body. That's why they indirectly said it should not harm the body, it should not damage the organs of the body. And you see the welfare of the patient. These things are not there nowadays. Blindly prescribing for simple, so many medicine and we are purchasing and eating. Welfare of the patient, where is the welfare? Who is taking care of natural body, God-given body? Even simple tablet we take, drug, it will have a side effect. Every tablet has a side effect. There is no tablet which does not have any side effect, after effect, ill effect, or the reactions. Side effect and the reaction, if you come to drug, there are nearly 60, 70 type of side effects, ill effect, and after effects, reaction of the drug. We know only very few, 50, 60, what I read and understood. 50, 60 type of side effects are there. After effects are there. So, welfare of the patient is important while administering the drug. Even in India also, there is a code of conduct, medical professional code of conduct. Even that code of conduct is also not followed by the drug healthcare providers. So, the prolonged, long use of drug will lead to infertility problem. Please remember, these are all what are written by medical science expert researchers in medical science, not my own opinion. What they say is when the prolonged use of drug leads to infertility, imbalance of hormones, inadequate hormones. Sometimes it leads to the impotency. It is harmful and damages. It will adversely affect the production of the vitamins in the body. So whatever naturally existing in the body, the capacity of the body to produce vitamins, that also not producing, and some vitamins that are going through urine. Through excretions, some vitamins are going out. And capacity of the body is destroyed by drug. So we have the vitamin deficiency syndromes. This is a major problem. That's why people are telling nutrition, proteins, and the vitamins to take. D vitamin, B vitamin, C vitamins. So that lack of vitamins only we have experienced during COVID period. Doctors, everybody advised, newspaper news also WHO, take vitamins, develop immunity system. So that we are losing a lot of immunity system capacity we are losing by taking the drug. It also adversely affects the immunity system. So immunity deficiency syndrome we are facing. Because immunity is essential for the body. It protects the body from diseases and illnesses and infections. So this is the first mechanism of the body. If the immunity is poor, the body becomes weaker, and antibodies, antigens will attack our body. They are easily simply exposed to the virus, infection, parasites, and fungus. All these diseases are mainly caused for the damage of the body. So vitamins are suffered, immune system is suffered, and at the same time, drugs, chemical reaction, chemical synthesis made chemicals will destroy the natural parts of the body. What are the natural parts? Nucleus, cells, tissues, organs of the body, subsystems of the body are damaged by the drug. They are very delicate cells, tissues, the nucleus, God-given gift. God made parts or organs of the body, because the body is filled with drug substances, drug waste, substance waste, poisonous material, and poisonous gases. Unwanted stomach is filled with unwanted materials and unnecessary materials. Lack of cleanliness, internal cleanliness of the body are mainly result of the damage of the small natural given parts of the body. So the accumulation of medicine after a long period of time, it gives the various side effects, itching, vomiting, different type of side effects we face after 30 years and 40 years. Till then, we do not know. We will be eating, swallowing, pills, syrup, injection, cut into paste, human intervention in parts of the organization, open examination of the body, surgery. We are misusing the body by ourselves. There's the danger of the drug. That's why I said the silent killer. 40, 50, 60, 70 years will be all right with the drug medicine. All the ill effects, all the directs will come up, will flare up at a later period of our age, 70, 50, 70 years, depending upon our body conditions. And at the same time, the performance of the body is destructive. The performance of the body organs. Power of